In this video, we will understand what is UptoSix Phonics app and how to use it. UptoSix Phonics is a synthetic phonics app. Phonics can be taught in different ways. Synthetic phonics is the most effective method for teaching children to read and spell. UptoSix Phonics app follows synthetic phonics approach. Synthetic phonics starts with teaching isolated sound-letter relationships and then moves on to blending sounds to form words. In simple words, children learn the letter sounds first, not the letter names, and then learn to blend the sounds to read and segment a word into individual sounds to spell. Each letter of the English alphabet has three aspects: letter name, letter sound, and letter symbol. Like for the letter A, the name is A, the sound is A, and the letter symbol means how we represent the letter on paper. As in phonics, children are taught to read by blending the sounds and spelling by identifying the individual sounds in words It is important at an early stage only letter sounds are taught, not the letter names. Children get confused easily if letter names are taught along with the letter sounds, which can cause blending issues. The name of the letter C is C, but the sound is K. If letter names are taught along with the letter sounds while reading the word cat, children would not know what to say. C-A-T, K-A-T, or C-A-T. If they say the letter names, they will be unable to hear the word after the sounds have been blended. However, if the sounds are used, the word can be heard cat easily. It is best to avoid letter names for at least the first two sets and can be introduced once children are fluent with the letter sounds and have mastered the skill of blending. Linking the letter sounds with letter symbol is a complex process for young children. To keep the learning simple and effective, initially only lowercase letters are used. Before children are ready to start reading sentences, they need to learn the capital letters. Sounds are not introduced in alphabetical order. One of the main reasons is when sounds are introduced in this order, children learn to read faster. Try this. How many words can you build with the first 6 letters of the alphabet? Now try the same thing with the first set of sounds. You will be able to build more than 40 words with these sounds. So, as soon as children learn the first 6 sounds, they are ready to read and spell more than 40 words. In the UptoSix Phonics app, 24 single sounds are taught. 24 single sounds are divided into 4 sets. 24 sounds because the letter C and the letter K make the same sound, that is K, and the letter Q cannot make any sound on its own. Letter Q will be taught as a digraph Qua in the Phonics Plus app. There is an information button placed at the top right corner of each page. Information button gives more information about any game or activity. Sounds are introduced with a simple fun story.
It's a sunny day at the seaside. the squirrel is having a good time at the seaside. Sam used his sand toys to build a sand castle. He wants to relax on the sunbed now. Sam is hungry and thirsty. He wants to eat his sandwiches and drink some strawberry juice from his straw glass. Oh, what is that sound? The snake on the sand is slithering away with a sandwich. Oh my goodness! The seagull and the squid have also taken one.
In the sound story, there are many words that begin with the sound
sky, sun, sea, sand, sand toys, sand castle, straw glass, sandwich, sunglasses, stick, sandals, starfish, starfish.
This
Squirrel,
helps children to
seagull,
remember the sound.
snake,
Next is the reinforcement
As in
of
sun.
learning.
sun, as in squid and starfish, squid, starfish, starfish, as in sand castle and as in sand toys, sand castle, sand toys, as in sunglasses, as in straw glass, and as in sandwich, straw glass, sandwich, sunglasses, as in squirrel, and as in seagull, squirrel, seagull, as in snake, as in sandals, and as in stick, stick, sandals. Tap on the picture that begins with the sound.
It is important to assess learning at each step.
Strawberry. Tap on the picture that begins with the sound. Seagull. Tap on the picture that begins with the sound.
From the
Sunflower.
beginning, children should be taught how to write letters with proper formation. Wrong writing practices are very difficult to get rid of. An animation shows how to write a letter with proper formation. Children can try writing on the red letter given with a finger or with a stylus. No autocorrection happens. It's like practicing writing on paper with pencil or crayon. The refresh button allows one to start over. Once a child has learned the first 6 sounds, he or she is ready to progress to the next section, which is the game section. These games prepare children for reading and spelling skills. Linking the sound with the letter symbol is a complex process for young children. The Bubble Pop game helps to establish the letter-sound relationship. To spell, children learn to segment a word into individual sounds. Identifying a word's beginning and ending sounds prepare children for spelling skills. Beginning and ending sound game helps to develop listening skills. There is a huge database of words that gives children endless practice.
Tap on the sound that class ends with. Try once more.
Blending is a skill used for reading. Children learn to join the sounds of a word to read.
Pin.
After a child has mastered the first 6 sounds, he or she is ready for blending lessons.
It. Kit.
To blend successfully, one should be fluent with the letter sounds.
It. Rip.
The skill of blending is not something very easy. Children need lots of practice to master the skill. It is like learning to swim or riding a bicycle.
Mint.
Once they get it, it becomes easy and spontaneous.
Traffic. D. A. A. D. E. Daffodil.
Then decoding unfamiliar words become effortless. UptoSix Phonics App with its huge database of words provides unlimited blending and segmenting practice opportunities. If a child struggles with blending, that simply means he or she needs more sound practice. He should go back to the sound lessons and practice those skills. There are 2 levels of blending and segmenting in set 2, 3 and 4.
Lollipop.
Beginners and expert level.
It. Hospital.
Segmenting is just opposite of blending. This skill is used for spelling. A word is segmented into the individual sounds to spell.
Can you spell wet? Et. Wet. Can you spell fox? Ox. Fox. Cat. At.
To spell successfully, letter sound association should be established properly.
Set. At.
If a child needs
Tap
help
the
with
picture.
spelling, it is
Set.
provided.
Set. 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 Pumpkin.
As children learn new sounds, more words for blending and segmenting becomes available.
Pumpkin. Insect.
Please remember, blending and segmenting skills should be practiced together. It helps children to understand the mechanism
for
of
help.
reading and spelling.
Set. Insect. Set. Insect.
After mastering the blending and segmenting skills, children are now ready to progress to reading phrases from words.
Dog. Hog. A dog and a hog. At. Cat. At. Bat. At. Rat. A cat and a fat rat. Big. Black. Dog. A big black dog. Hop. Skip. Jump. Run. Hop. Skip. Jump and run.
Once all the fundamental phonics skills are mastered, children will be ready to learn advanced phonics concepts like consonant blends, digraphs, tricky words,
Listen
magic
to the
E,
sound.
alternate spellings, and many more. The UptoSix Phonics Plus app will cover all those concepts.
Cap. Cape. The boy in the cap got a cape.
Phonics is not only teaching the 24 letter sounds. There are 44 sounds in the English
And.
language. Without learning these advanced phonics
Oak.
concepts, phonics
the
lesson
balloons
will be
with the
incomplete.
Oh. Pop the balloons with the sound.
UptoSix Phonics app is easy to follow.
Sound.
Parents and teachers can easily follow this
Catch the
app
fish
to
with
guide
the
their
sound.
children even if they have no prior
Catch the
phonics
fish with
knowledge.
the-
Lessons
Oh
are
no,
systematic,
can you
step
try
by
again?
step, easy to follow,
Good
designed
work.
by experienced teachers. A
Ah,
few minutes a
as in
day and you will
terrified.
see your child transforming into a fluent reader and a confident writer
Terrified.
in no
Can you
time.
spell?
What are
Rain.
you waiting for? Download the UptoSix Phonics app today
Rain.
and help your child build a solid foundation in reading and spelling. This is the best gift you can ever give your child.
Sleep. Sleep.
Thanks for watching.